Hello all. Today we are going to see how to process parent in Zoho Parent. For processing the parent, we have to navigate to parents and here we have to click on view details. Under view details, we can see all the payroll cost of that particular month, employees net pay, total number of employees, taxes and deduction details, and all the employees' salary details can be seen here. Next, we need to have add the LOP details. For that, we have three ways. One is if Zoho People is integrated with Zoho Payroll, we can directly sync the LOP details from people to payroll, where we can see a fetch data option here. The other way for adding LOP is we can import the LOP details by clicking on import and LOP details. We can download this state format and upload this form. Based on that format, you have to fill the details and upload that format here. The other way for adding the LOP details is if you want to add LOP details for a particular employee, you can select that employee and add the LOP details here. Once the LOP details were added, you can click on submit and approve, and you can click on submit and approve. We have an error where this is a demo account with minimum subscription of 5 employees, as we have 7 employees here. Now I will show you how to skip the 2 employees from this particular payroll of this month. For that, we have to select that employee here. We can see the more option here where we can skip from this, click on skip from this payroll. Give the reason for not paying this particular employee's salary and click on proceed. In the same way, we have to skip one more employee as this demo account has only 5 employees where we are having here 7 employees. We also have other options like with the hold the salary, revise the salary of for a particular employee. We can initiate the exit process, which can be for a particular employee, which can be converted into full and final settlement that employee's data. We can view the employee details from here. Now we have skipped 2 employees from this parent. Now click on submit and approve. Once the payment is run and the approval is given, we will have a download bank advice statement here, which can be downloaded and sent to your bank and pay the salaries to the employees. The other way is if you are using S Bank or HSBC Bank, you can directly deposit the salaries to the employees from Zoho Payroll. As I have shown you in the earlier video, we can directly pay the salaries by S Bank or HSBC Bank by setting up them in Zoho Payroll. Once the payment is done, we can record the payment here, which dates the employees has been paid and what is the mode of payment, and click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, you can send the payslips to the employees directly by sending clicking on send payslips. This is the how the processing of parent happens in Zoho Payroll. Hope you like the section. Thank you.